Alright, so finally back doing some clothing videos. I've got a bunch of pickups here. I've done way too many sneaker videos recently, but that's how it is towards the end of the year. You gotta do your top 10 lists and everything else in between. So I went through my closet and picked out some things that I wasn't wearing anymore, sneakers and clothing, and I sold it. I got a good chunk of change from that, and I went out and bought a few things that I had been eyeing. Right now is one of the best times to be shopping, especially for outerwear. So I've got a lot here and I want to dive right into it. We got a few jackets, a pair of sneakers, and also a package that just showed up from j.crew, and I'm just gonna throw that in here. I don't really know what it is, but just gonna add to the video a little bit. So let's break down all these items, and you guys can let me know what you think about them down in the comment section, and be sure to let me know if you caught any deals right around this time of year, because there's sales pretty much on every single website. So let me know if you got a deal on anything. First things first, let's jump into this j.crew package. Like I said, it just showed up. I really don't know what's in here. Hopefully some denim is in here, because I've been wearing their jeans a lot recently and I like the way that they fit. This thing is jam-packed, so let me try not to cut into anything. Oh boy, what do we have here? I'm liking this already for sure. I think I know what this is. Definitely gonna be liking that. What is this about? This is sick. I saw that they just dropped this recently. That's gonna be good. And then what do we got? A t-shirt in here? All right, let's look at this tee first. A graphic t-shirt. I think I saw this when they posted it on their Instagram. So you got this NASCAR style tee that says j.crew on the front. Is this a long sleeve? Yes, sir. It's like a washed black long sleeve t-shirt. Very cool. It definitely has an oversized fit. This will be great underneath a flannel. Next, we got this flannel overshirt, which I'm definitely into. I actually have one that I'm gonna show you guys in this video from Topman that I copped a couple weeks back. The material on this shirt is really nice. This is super soft. Damn, I might throw this on right now. I am definitely down with this thing. Nice job, j.crew. This is for sure that oversized look. Let's move on to this denim jacket that has some serious weight to it. This thing feels like it's gonna keep you warm. Again, not planning on getting any of this stuff, so this is really cool. Whoa. All right, so this is a distressed denim jacket, and it is very distressed. I'm pretty sure that this is reversible. It for sure is. So if you wanted to rock this thing inside out with like exposed denim on the collar and on the sleeves and have somewhat of a different bomber jacket look, you can do that with this thing. I like these flaps here too, so that you can adjust the waist area, how tight it is. So you got the super distressed denim jacket, and then if you reverse it, you've got a bomber jacket slash denim jacket. Quite the combination you've got here. That is a unique piece, to say the least. Thank you to j.crew. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with all these items, and you'll probably see me wearing them in a lookbook. I was wearing their jeans a lot in that Vans lookbook. If you missed that one, go check it out. But we gotta keep it moving. It's not just about this stuff. I actually bought a lot of things, so let's get into it. Keeping it moving, I got a couple of things in from Ralph Lauren, and like I've said plenty of times, I think that they are killing it recently. Last year they had a ton of great stuff on their website, and I'm sure this year is gonna be no different. I've always been a fan of how they package everything when they're shipping it to you. It's presented very nicely. Right on the top here, we've got something that I've been eyeing for a minute. I waited for it to go on sale, then I scooped it up. Same thing with this next jacket. Most of you probably know that I'm a big fan of Sherpa zip-up jackets, and this is my third one in this color. There's an Everlane version that I wear pretty often, but I wanted something a little bit softer and a little bit heavier. And when I saw that Ralph Lauren had this one on their site, I just couldn't stop thinking about it. I really wanted this joint right here. It's got stripes down towards the bottom and on the wrists. It feels so cozy right now. I want a blanket of this entire Sherpa material. This thing, oh man, wow. This is as cozy as it gets, bro. I'm telling you, I feel like a polar bear, and it's amazing. Let me get this paper off the zipper real quick. What is this? Just a leather pull tab for the zipper. That's different. But this jacket right here, let me know what you guys think about it, and if you have been rocking Sherpa styles this winter, because I'm all about them. It's just finding that perfect thickness. Now, I would say that this is definitely the best jacket in here, but this Coach's jacket may be even better. So I had spring in mind with this zip-up jacket, and it is super lightweight. So this is definitely going to be something that I can break out like mid-April. For some reason, every time Polo does something in camo, it really catches my eye. I don't know why that is. It's almost like camo is like rugged and bold, and Polo is just like this preppy brand. So when the two styles mix, I don't know, it just interests me a little bit. Let me throw this thing on real quick. So I have another Coach's jacket by Vans, and it's a different material, and it's a little bit longer, and it's not as nice as this one is. I really like this a lot. This has like that fatigued type feel to it. I don't think I would wear this crest crew neck underneath it, probably just something basic. But this is definitely a jacket that's my style. Let me know what you guys think about it. All right, so moving on, I got a pair of sneakers that should have been in my collection like a year ago. I've always eyed these things, but I just never pulled the trigger. They're overpriced, they're expensive. So this is the collaboration between Converse and CDG. Most of you have seen these by now. They've been out for a while, and there are a few different versions. This is the Chuck 70. So the only real difference that I've seen between these and the standard Chuck 70s, well, there's a few different aesthetic things that I'll point out for you guys, but for the most part, it's just that logo there on the lateral side, the heart peeking out with the eyes, and I think that that is so dope. It totally changes the look of this sneaker. Other 70s models have this piping right above the midsole here. This kind of seems to have like an extra mudguard to it. Just wanted to show these to you guys real quick though. Every time I go into the Converse store in Boston, they have this crazy store that's really sick. I always see employees wearing these and I'm like, ah, damn. Okay, next up, I got this shirt from Topman. It is also like a shirt jacket, overshirt type thing. And this is one of the best shirts I've ever gotten from Topman. Topman is a fast fashion brand, and sometimes they put out clothing that is very average in quality. Not this thing right here. I'm very happy with this. It's got this navy knit design with this gold stitching on it, and it looks honestly like a high-end button-up shirt, but it's not. It was 65 bucks. I paid full retail, no questions asked. On the inside of the collar, there's a little bit of suede. I'm like, what? Is that suede on the inner collar? And is this Topman? It was weird. Like, I really didn't think that this shirt was gonna be as nice as it is. And just like that Mint Crew shirt I showed you guys earlier, it's got a straight hem towards the bottom, so it gives off a different look than a typical flannel does. It honestly looks more like a jacket. Throw on some Chelsea boots with this thing and it's gonna be a nice menswear look. Definitely excited about this piece. If this is still available, which I doubt it is, I'll link it for you guys down in the description because it was selling quick for some reason, and I went ahead and grabbed my size. I don't know if it was limited or whatever, or if I caught it late, who knows. But Topman is always having sales, so I'll be sure to link you guys to a good Topman sale down in the description, and any of the stuff I can find, I'll also link. All right, man, so last up, I have a jacket that I am so excited about. This is an expensive jacket, and I had been waiting for this thing to go on sale. Finally, I got it for over 50% off, and this is gonna be a beautiful jacket, man. I saw the color of this jacket and immediately my mind started going as far as things I could wear it with. I grabbed it from Mr. Porter, and if you've never ordered from Mr. Porter, this is how the package shows up, wrapped very nicely. You guys know I like bomber jackets, I like Letterman jackets, I love those style coats. And when I saw this combination on a Golden Bear varsity jacket, I had been wanting it for so long. So this is like a Michigan State style color. It's forest green on the body, and then the arms are in like this white kind of chalk color. Look how clean this thing is, man. So excited. These are made in the USA, right in California, and if you ever see a Golden Bear varsity jacket on sale and you're contemplating it or you're on the fence, pull the trigger. Trust me, the quality is amazing, and these things hold their value. You can go on eBay and find these jackets from like 10 years ago and people still resell them. They're worth a lot. So I've got like 5 of these in my closet now, and I won't get rid of any of them. Let me know if you guys have ever picked up anything from Golden Bear. It's worth it, trust me, and they make other style jackets as well. If I find any of these, I'll be sure to link them for you guys down in the description. But I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you hit that thumbs up one time if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you are new. If you've missed any of my other videos, make sure you go check them out. I dropped one where I was reacting to some negative comments, and you guys really had my back on that video, so thank you everyone that commented on that video. I truly appreciate it. I dropped a Vans lookbook, and a lot of stuff is on the way. This year is going to be great as far as content goes. I promise you guys that. So I will catch you on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Peace.